Hello, beautiful audience. We are glad to have you guys back on this channel once again. And yes, my people, on today's video, we are live in Owerri City again, bringing you updates of what the Owerri City looks like. And also, we are going to take you guys to the Imo State University Owerri campus. Yeah, that's the IMSU campus in Owerri. We are going to take you there and take you around this facility so that you will see what the university community looks like currently today. So just in case Imo State University is your alma mater, this video is for you. And also just in case you have not seen what the IMSU campus looked like before, this video is also for you. And also for all those of you that asked us, why didn't we get the Wetheral video after covering Owerri? Why didn't you go to Wetheral Road? Don't worry, this video is for you because we actually covered the Wetheral Road in Owerri before heading to the Imo State University campus in Owerri. So stick to this channel, guys. Just in case also you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share this video, and give this video a massive thumbs up. Okay, so right now we will be heading towards the Wetheral Road in Owerri to show you how or what the Wetheral Road looks like in Owerri. Yes. For those also saying that Owerri is a village, a glorified village, Owerri is this, Owerri is that, you will be disappointed, I'm telling you, because frankly speaking, going around Owerri and also witnessing the whole activities going on in this city, I don't think anyone would on his who thinks well would say that this is a village. And of course, every city is a village to somebody. Yes, because even Lagos is somebody's village. Okay, New York is somebody's village. So every city in the world is somebody's village. So I wouldn't dispose the fact that Owerri is a village. Yes, Owerri is somebody's village, but it is not a village like that kind of village. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So right here we are already entering the Wetheral Road. Yes, from this point, this is Wetheral Road, guys. And please watch this video very well. Look around and tell me what you think about this particular city called Owerri, which is the capital city of Imo State, Nigeria. And to be sincere, I took something out of this city, which is the clean roads and also the good roads. Their roads are really in a standard shape, better off than some cities even around the country. Yes, they have a good road network within the city of Owerri, and you can actually see what I'm talking about for yourself. For real, guys. We are right at the Wetheral Road in Owerri. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys through this Wetheral Road down to the Mbise Junction, Mbise Road, towards Mbise Road, and we'll also go down where the Wetheral Road ended, and we're going to turn around and see. Okay, we'll also pass through the fire service though. Yes, we'll pass through the fire service and all of that, and then we're going to go around and then turn again towards the Imo State University campus in Owerri. So it is a very interesting video today. It's a very educative video, informative video. So please, whichever one you are getting out of this video, kindly subscribe to this channel also, guys, to also support us to do more. Comment, share this video, and give this video a massive thumbs up. So we are in Wetheral Road, and if there's any place you know around this area, or if you stay around this area, or you used to stay around this neighborhood, yes, if we pass through your house or your location or your office, whatever it is, kindly let us know about that on the comment section. Yes, so it's so interesting and it's so beautiful to see that Owerri is very lively. Every activities are going on smoothly. People are going on their separate businesses or activities of the day, and you can see that for yourself. And the whole city is calm and peaceful. That is one beautiful thing about the city of Owerri. It is a calm and a peaceful city. Yes, and you can see that everywhere is unique in its own way. Okay, yes, the city of Owerri is a unique city in its own way, just like every other city around the world is. So we are taking you guys through this beautiful city of Owerri to see what it looks like currently today. So you can see that the traffic lights here are functioning actively. Yes, actively functioning. And that's one beautiful thing also I noticed in this city. So guys, over here we are right at the Mbise road. Yes, this particular road now leads to Mbise in Owerri, but we are not going to drive down through this road. We are going to make a U-turn right here. Yes, we are going to make a U-turn right here and then head back towards the Wetheral road and continue our trip. So if you find this video interesting, informative, educative, please kindly give this video a massive thumbs up. Share this video, guys, so that a whole lot of people would see what the Wetheral road in Owerri currently looks like. So also there is this other video we did of the Owerri city. Yes, that's the video we did that we had a lot of complaints that's why didn't we come towards the Wetheral road. I'll be leaving the link to that video at the end of this one. Yes, so just in case you missed that video, at the end of this particular video you will see the link to that very video, and make sure you watch that video. You are going to love Owerri. I'm telling you, if you watch that video, you are going to love Owerri city. Frankly speaking, the thing is, Owerri is a beautiful city, is a lively city, is a unique city. And that video will tell it all by itself. I don't really need to say much about Owerri, but when you watch that video, you would understand what I'm talking about, seriously and frankly. So we are still at the Wetheral road in Owerri city, and then you can see how long this road has been, and also you can also see for yourself the road networks around the Wetheral road, and you can see the structures, you can see the activities that is going on. People are going on their daily activities peacefully, and the whole neighborhood is actually calm. That is one interesting thing about this city today. So the Wetheral road is a very popular road in Owerri. Yes, it's a very popular location in the city of Owerri. So if you reside or do business in Owerri, you must happen to come towards this Wetheral road for one thing or the other. That is how popular this road is in Owerri. So just in case we pass towards your house, your office, anything, or your location where you have been before or where you used to work before, or if it's been a while you visited Owerri city, this video is for you. Kindly also let us know about that on the comment section. So it's a beautiful thing to be back to this city after some time. Yes, I visited Owerri about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and I'm here again to get you guys the current situation of the Wetheral road. Yes, it's been a while I wanted to cover this Wetheral road, but I'm so fortunate to have the opportunity to cover the Wetheral road today. So this update is coming to you from the stables of BlessingGodwinTV, and we keep doing this back to back just like we always do, guys. So you can see what the Owerri Wetheral road looks like currently today. Yes. So let's hear your comments. Let's hear your thoughts. Let's hear your observations. Whatever it is you observed, please share with us on the comment section. It is very important. Yes, I would love to hear from you guys. at the comment section. Let's know whatever it is you observe, whatever your thoughts are, whatever your commendations are, or your recommendation, whatever it is. Please do well to share with us on the comment section. And if you also pass somewhere that you know, or you used to know, or you used to be before now, please let us know on the comment section. And also, if you want to see the Imo State University campus in Owerri, make sure you watch this video to the end, because you are going to love the view of this university community. Yes, the Imo State University community is a very, very interesting place you would love to see. And if it's been a while you visited the university community, or if that's your alma mater, just like I said before now, yes, please watch this video to refresh some memories, guys. Okay, make sure you watch the video so that you refresh some memories, because it's good to refresh our memories once in a while. You know, probably you will see your department, you will see your faculty, you will see the canteen, the law, library, places you have like you used to be before, and you are no more around those locations. Yes, it will be interesting that you see those places again, and you know, be like wow. So it's a nice thing to be in Owerri today. So the red building you are seeing by our right over there, the building that is being painted red by our right here, and that's the fire service department of the Imo State. Yes, that's the fire service office, though I did not see any firefighter truck around it, but that's what it is. Okay, also we are still at the Wetheral Road. This is still Wetheral Road. Okay, we have not left Wetheral Road yet. So by the time we leave Wetheral Road, we are headed towards the IMSU Junction, and then towards the university itself. So don't forget to drop your thoughts on the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe. Yes, subscribe, just in case you have not subscribed already. Click on the notify me bell so that you always get notified whenever we post a video. It is very important you do that. Okay, yes. So this is what Wetheral Road looks like currently today, and you can see that the city is beautiful and unique in its own way. Yes, the Owerri city is beautiful and unique in its own way. You can see the activity that is going on. You can see the road in particular. It's clean. I love the fact that the roads are clean. Okay, I love the fact that the roads are kept clean. It's a very good one coming from Owerri. Wetheral Road, it's a very good one. Yes. So let's know whatever it is you think about this particular city. Let's know whatever it is your thoughts are, your observations are, your commendations. All are really welcomed at the comment section. Please do share with us. It's very important. We would love to hear from you. We would love to share ideas with you. If there are things that you know about these locations that we don't know, please do share with us on the comment section, so that we all will be on the same page together. So we are still at the Wetheral Road, and we are about going off the Wetheral Road. Yes, we'll be heading out towards the IMSU Junction from here, so that we'll show you what the university community looks like. So make sure you watch this video, stick to this video, watch it to the end, and get updated on what those places looks like. I'll leave you guys here so that we enjoy this video, and I will see you on our next one coming your way. Thank you, and God bless you.